Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study English of class 3 and we will study the exercises of reading comprehension. Today we will discuss exercise A and exercise B1 of unit 3. Anum is sick. Now let's discuss exercise A. Write the names of all the people in the text. Take out your English notebook. You have to do this exercise in your copy. What we have to do, we have to write down the names of all the people in the text. First of all, write down the name of Anum, the girl who was sick. Secondly, Asim, her brother. Third, Uncle Usman, who gifted the paints. Number 4, Batul. Batul, who was Batul? Yes, she was friend of Anum. Write down Batul, then Miss Farah, their sports teacher, and then Dr. Hamza. Write down the names in your copies: Anum, Asim, Uncle Usman, Batul, Miss Farah, and Dr. Hamza. Do this exercise A in your English notebook. Now moving towards exercise B1. Some keywords are given in the box. Read them carefully. Dragged, bring, sighed, refused, laughed, packed, sponged, touched, lay down, looked, and nodded. What we have to do? We have to do the readings of these keywords which are given in the box. Dragged, dragged. Dragged means, what does the word dragged means? Yes, dragged means to pull something. Bring. Bring means to bring something. For example, can you bring me a glass of water? Sighed. Sighed means sighed. Refused. Refused means to deny. Refused means to deny. Then laughed. Laughed is the past form of laugh. Then packed, sponged, touched. Touched means to touch something. Lay down, lay down. Then looked, and then nodded, nodded. Nodded means to move your head. Now note down your homework. Do exercise A in copy and do exercise B1. Read the keywords. We will continue the remaining exercises in our next lecture. Till then, thank you. Allah Hafiz.